Tired of unreliable trash pickup? Choose a service you can count on. Rock Solid Waste. We provide dependable, affordable trash service for homes and small businesses with clean, professional equipment and friendly local support. When we say on time, we mean every time. Call today for a free quote at 731-420-4451. That's 731-420-4451, or visit rocksolid.com. Rock Solid Waste, taking the trash out of your worries. And now to Jerry Mack for the forecast.
All right, Karen, thanks for that. Rock Solid Waste is a sponsor for this morning's weathercast. Currently, we're still under that level 2. They haven't upgraded us to a level 3 or any of our counties yet. We will have a new severe weather outlook coming out around 8 o'clock, so we could see an upgrade. But right now, we're still at that level 2, which is a slight risk. Tornado threat is on the low side at a 2%, but we do have the chance, if we do get any supercells to fire up and we do get a tornado to form out of that, it could be strong EF2 or greater. Damaging winds will be the primary threat, though. That's the main concern, especially as the cold front pushes its way through. That's going to be the primary concern, will be damaging winds. But before that, if we get any supercells to fire up in the early midday to early afternoon, that's the time frame we'll have to worry about for tornadoes. If that happens, like I said, and one can form, it could be potentially EF2 or greater. Hail is more or less a secondary threat. Right now, damaging winds and tornadoes are the primary, just because of the potential for supercells this afternoon if they get fired up. Hail is on the low end side, though, but we could see quarter size hail potentially with this as well. So this is the other graphic. It's pretty much the same as what I just showed you, with the exception of this stippled region for the tornadoes. That is the new SIG categories. We have 3 different SIG categories, and this is actually under a SIG 1. You can kind of see how that stretches through basically through our southern counties, basically our counties that border Mississippi, and as you get up into Tipton, Madison, Chester counties, Decatur counties there. That's a greater chance to see a EF2 or greater tornado, at least within this outlook. Wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't a little bit further, but anyway, in this stippled region here is the threat for the greater probability of an EF2 tornado today, if one can get formed today. Sunrise, sunset for Wednesday. Sunrise at 7:12. Sunset at 7 p.m. 11 hours and 48 minutes of daylight. Current conditions: another warm start, 68 degrees. Dew points at 68. Humidity at 98%. Barometric pressure is 29.88. We got a south-southwest wind at 5. So for today, mostly cloudy, breezy with showers and thunderstorms. Likely south-southwest wind at 15 to 25 with gusts as high as 30. For tonight, cloudy with showers and thunderstorms. in the early evening. We won't be dealing with this overnight. This will be more of an early evening. We should hopefully be done with this shower and thunderstorm activity around 8, 9 o'clock or so. Um, North wind at 15 with gusts as high as 25. So as that front is pushed through, those winds will change out of the north and we'll be down to 37 for a low. So mostly sunny on Thursday, but noticeably cooler with only a high of 56. We do start that warm up though as we get into Friday and Saturday. Sunday, another chance for showers and thunderstorms. Some of them storms could be severe. We'll have to keep an eye out for this system as well because we'll have another pretty good cool down in behind that system. So, but for the most part, like I said, we'll keep an eye out for today. That midday to early afternoon time frame. Again, we'll have a Zillow channel active. We'll have watches and warnings posted on our Facebook page too. Everybody stay safe, stay tuned. We'll keep you updated today. Have a good day.